Day 3 of testimony at the hearing for the Oxford school shooter, and once again, some devastating new details are coming to light.
This time it's his behavior behind bars, including video showing him in crisis. Sean Lay spent the day in court, joins us now with more. Sean, a psychologist, ended up spending hours on the stand.
Talking with him, giving us insights on what the shooter was thinking, spending hours with the shooting, interviewing him, getting insights. Guys, this is day 3 of this. It's like ripping a scab off. It's like reliving every moment of this horrible tragedy at Oxford High School. And now we get more information about what the shooter was thinking. He's telling this doctor that he truly believed the shooting would have been prevented. He was there with the backpack. A backpack's brought into the office the day of the shooting. He says he was sure school officials would have checked the backpack, shooting averted, he would have been relieved, but it never happened.
And Ethan said, for the first time in his life, he felt relieved. He said he just knew that the sheriffs were going to burst into the office and arrest him, because there was no way, after all that they saw, that they were not going to search that backpack.
Jaw-dropping testimony from psychologist Dr. Colin King. He interviewed the Oxford High School shooter for hours following the shooting. The very day of the shooting, the teen telling the doctor he finally felt free of his urge to kill. He had been hauled into the school office. He says for sure they would have checked his backpack, find the gun, and prevent the massacre he had planned. Even a school official mentioned how heavy his backpack was.
He said, "This is heavy. What do you have in here? Bricks?" And then Ethan said, all he had to do was just unzip that backpack. But he didn't.
Multiple jailhouse videos also played of the shooter in crisis. Deputies trying to get him under control in jail. The shooter asking God why he didn't prevent the shooting. The doctor's opinion that the teen is mentally ill but can be rehabilitated. Back here live outside of court. Today's session just wrapped. More on those videos from the jail we've been hearing about. A lot of those played in court today and what they actually mean. But guys, the testimony about the shooter expecting school officials to check his backpack, not only were dropping jaws and so hard for the families to listen to in court. We're hearing from attorneys involved in this case all over Metro Detroit saying check the backpack and never got checked. Even the shooter was expecting that backpack to be checked. Why he went through with it, though, that's still unclear. They're still digging into that. Back to you.
Can't begin to imagine what it was like for everyone in the school that day to hear that testimony today, Sean. Now, originally we were told that today was supposed to be the last day of this hearing.
3-day hearing. It's going to go into a 4th now. The doctor was on the stand all day long. So much involved in his testimony and the time he spent with the shooter. Now, another witness is going to be called, but he's going to be called, the witness will be called on the 18th of this month due to scheduling reasons. So it's going to go into a 4th day. And then after that, the judge will rule at some time to take all this information in and then have an important ruling here. So this is not over by a long stretch.
Yeah, exactly. All right, Sean.